Higher and lower order thinking skills. Bloom's taxonomy can help you contextualize the level of thinking skills involved with your goals and offers many example active verbs that can help you write your goals. Chances are you have already used verbs in your assignments and have devised questions at different levels of thinking. We are suggesting you become systematic but also creative in your approach to learning goals. Below, we provide you with examples of higher order thinking skills and lower order thinking skills. Higher order thinking skills. Higher order thinking skills are reflected by the top three levels in Bloom's taxonomy: analyzing, evaluating and creating. ये higher order thinking skill है. Two examples of higher order thinking skills include: by the end of the semester, students will be able to summarize the different theories of learning discussed in class: experiential, visual, verbal, social, kinesthetic, and logical. In this case, the key action verb is summarize, indicating a level 5 or 6 on the Bloom's taxonomy, rather than having students simply remember level 1 on Bloom's taxonomy. The different theories by having them select from a pre-made description. This allows them to explain the theories in their own words, thus evaluating the material level 5 on Bloom's taxonomy. By the end of the unit on force and motion, students will be able to design a poster on how and why push and pull, gravity and friction, and acceleration and magnetism are important in our daily lives. Here the key action verb is design, demonstrating the sixth level of Bloom's taxonomy: creating, which allows students to create, in this case a poster, from the different factors of force and motion. This goal requires them to put the different elements together concisely to produce a cohesive poster and would be assessing a higher order thinking skill. Lower order thinking skills. Lower order thinking skills are reflected by the lower three levels in Bloom's taxonomy: remembering, understanding, and applying. Two examples of lower order thinking skills include: by the end of the unit on ratios and proportions, students will be able to apply their learning to prepare recipes of their choice. In this case, the key action verb is apply, indicating a level 3 on the Bloom's taxonomy. It is clearly a level 3. It would likely be assessing a lower order skill, especially if the students simply need to choose the correct ratios and apply them in making a dish of their choice. However, this may also be a higher order skill if students are not used to applying ratios, or if this is a lower course of just understanding ratios and proportions. By the end of the semester, students will be able to identify force and motion and describe different situations by giving the real world examples to explain the concept. They will be able to list down at least 5 characteristics that define push from pull. Here we see that the active verbs include describe, give examples, and list, all of which are low on Bloom's taxonomy, being either a level 1 or a level 2. This goal or a test or homework question covering this goal would be assessing a lower order thinking skill for a majority of our students.